that Michael Phelps was sneezing.
So here's that 8x14, 26-foot long beam, clear pine, maybe 1,500 pounds. And I was hoping I was going to be able to get it up on top of the post with Steve's tractor. Steve is the friend of mine that I'm working for now. And we were really close to getting it up there and just couldn't quite muster it. And it was relatively safe the way we were doing it. We had it all strapped down and secure and everything. So instead of that, trying to muckle around with that any longer, I called my buddy Jeff from up my road, and he came over with his front end loader and the extender boom on the hoe, and we just hoisted and threw it right up there. Very convenient.
So much bigger in real life than paper. Thought, right? Yeah. If you want to take my car, I'm going to leave it. Woo! Say bone. Actually, I'm a little. Isn't that nice? It's nice sitting up there.
Oh, it's great.